Hello, everyone. Welcome to this exciting presentation where we're going to introduce you to TESVA and its incredible affiliate program. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just someone passionate about financial success, you're in for a treat. So, what is TESVA? TESVA is your one-stop solution for unlocking financial success. The Executive Suite Virtual Assistant Company offers comprehensive virtual assistant and concierge services, delivering a premium virtual service experience. Recognizing the demands of managing a business, we aim to relieve you of the intricate details, allowing you to focus on core operations. We acknowledge the significance of spending quality time with your family, and that's why our commitment extends beyond regular working hours. TESVA offers a range of services aimed at improving individuals' and businesses' financial health. Credit repair. TESVA provides personalized solutions to help individuals and businesses enhance their credit scores and overall financial standing. This service is designed to address and rectify credit issues, ultimately improving clients' access to financial opportunities. Business credit. TESVA specializes in offering expert guidance and support to businesses in establishing and strengthening their credit profiles. This service is crucial for businesses looking to access favorable financing terms and other credit-related benefits. Bookkeeping. TESVA's comprehensive bookkeeping services ensure accurate financial records and compliance for businesses of all sizes. By maintaining meticulous financial records, businesses can make informed decisions, stay compliant with regulations, and demonstrate financial stability to stakeholders. General admin. TESVA offers a range of general administrative services to support businesses. This includes tasks such as email management, calendar management, internet research, market research, and other administrative functions. By outsourcing these tasks to TESVA, businesses can streamline their operations and focus on their core activities. Marketing. TESVA specializes in managing advertising campaigns for businesses. This service encompasses the entire ad campaign process, starting from designing the advertisements to the actual execution and management of the campaign. By entrusting their advertising efforts to TESVA, businesses can free up their time to serve customers and concentrate on their overall business strategy. Earning passive income through our subscription-based services offers several advantages. Recurring commissions. By promoting our services, you can earn recurring commissions for each customer who remains subscribed, providing a consistent source of income. Steady growth. As more customers sign up for our services, your earnings can grow steadily over time, creating a reliable and increasing stream of passive income. Long-term benefits. With subscription renewals, your passive income continues to grow, offering a stable and long-term source of earnings, providing financial security. Expand your network. Through our referral program, you can broaden your network and generate additional passive income by referring others to join as sub-affiliates. This allows you to leverage your connections for increased earnings. Perks of our affiliate marketers. Generates passive income. By becoming an affiliate, you open the door to earning passive income. This is achieved through promoting our subscription-based services. As you refer new customers, your earnings increase, providing you with a continuous stream of income without constant active effort. Flexible hours. Enjoy the freedom of setting your own work hours as an affiliate. Whether you prefer working late at night or early in the morning, you have the flexibility to promote our services at times that suit your schedule. This autonomy allows you to balance your affiliate activities with other commitments or personal preferences. Access to resources. We empower our affiliates with exclusive resources to enhance their success. These resources include marketing materials to effectively promote our services, training modules to sharpen your skills, and dedicated support to assist you on your affiliate journey. This comprehensive support system is designed to maximize your potential and help you thrive as an affiliate marketer. For commission structure. Earn competitive commissions based on successful conversions and referrals. The more you refer, the more you earn. And for the payment process. Receive timely and reliable payments through your chosen method for the commissions you earn as a TESVA affiliate. Please take note that commissions will be released on the 1st of every month. The commission structure outlined involves three key components for affiliates. Retail commission, 25%. Affiliates earn a 25% commission on the retail sales they generate. This is the standard commission for individual sales made through their affiliate efforts. Sub-affiliate override, 10%. Affiliates also receive a 10% commission for each sale made by their sub-affiliates. This serves as an additional source of income, incentivizing affiliates to recruit and support others in generating sales. Super affiliate tier, 40% retail, 20% sub-affiliate override. Upon reaching a specific milestone, having 10 sub-affiliates with at least one paying client, the affiliate enters the super affiliate tier. In this tier, the commission on retail sales increases to 40%, and the commission for sub-affiliate overrides increases to 20%. This higher tier rewards affiliates for building a successful team. Achieving super affiliate status involves recruiting and managing 10 sub-affiliates, each responsible for bringing in at least one paying client. Upon meeting these criteria, your commission rate increases to 40%, while your sub-affiliates enjoy a boosted rate of 20%. It's important to note that the enhanced commission structure is contingent on active sub-affiliates generating actual business. The marketing and promotional support for affiliates involves providing them with tailored resources to enhance their promotional activities. This support includes customized marketing materials. We offer personalized marketing materials such as banners, landing pages, and ad creatives. These materials are designed to align with your brand and effectively convey your message to potential customers. Targeted campaigns. Our team collaborates with affiliates to create targeted campaigns and strategies. The goal is to help affiliates reach the right audience, ensuring that their marketing efforts are focused and impactful. Social media kits. Access ready-to-use social media kits that include engaging content and graphics. Becoming a TESVA affiliate involves a simple three-step process. First, apply. Complete an online application on the TESVA affiliate portal. Provide necessary information about your experience and marketing strategies. Visit the executivesuite.cloud/a/TESVA to sign up as an affiliate. Second on the list is review. TESVA evaluates your application. Upon approval, you gain access to the affiliate dashboard and receive marketing resources. Lastly, promote. Utilize the provided marketing materials to advertise TESVA's services. Track your referrals and earnings through the affiliate dashboard. In summary, the process involves applying, getting reviewed and approved, and then actively promoting TESVA to earn commissions, all facilitated through an online portal. So, there you have it. TESVA, your partner in financial success, with services ranging from credit repair to business credit and bookkeeping. If you're ready to take the next step in your financial journey or become a TESVA affiliate and start earning, visit our website or contact us today. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your financial success with TESVA.